Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4. First, familiarize yourself with the PlayStation 5 controller layout. Practice aiming for enemy weak points, typically the head, to maximize damage and save precious ammunition. Remember to use your knife for quick melee follow-ups or to parry incoming attacks. Efficiently managing your inventory is crucial for survival, so only carry what you truly need. Effective combat involves more than just shooting. Combine different colored herbs to create powerful healing concoctions, like green and red for a full heal. Visit the mysterious merchant, often to upgrade your weapons, enhancing their power and capacity. Selling valuable treasures you find will earn you pesetas, the currency needed for these upgrades and new gear. Observing enemy attack patterns helps you dodge and counter efficiently. Exploration is key to uncovering Resident Evil 4 secrets. Always thoroughly search every room and corner for hidden items, ammunition, and valuable treasures. Many areas feature environmental puzzles that you must solve to advance the narrative. Don't forget to smash all crates and barrels you encounter. They often contain useful resources. Pay attention to subtle audio cues for nearby threats or collectibles. For advanced survival, master the art of parrying with your knife. A well-timed parry can stun enemies and open them up for a powerful melee attack. Utilize grenades and flashbangs strategically to manage large groups of foes or escape dangerous situations. Always save your progress at the typewriters you find throughout your journey to prevent losing valuable playtime. Complete the merchant's requests for extra rewards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.